Welcome to the Moxie CRM tutorial. In this guide, we'll take you through the essentials of using Moxie CRM to streamline your client management processes. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a larger team, Moxie CRM is designed to help you build better relationships with your clients. So, Moxie CRM is a client relationship management platform tailored for creative professionals, freelancers, and small business owners. It combines client management, invoicing, project tracking, and collaboration tools in one easy to use platform. Moxie CRM helps you focus on your work while managing all the administrative aspects of your business seamlessly. So now let's get started. So simply head over Moxie's website, and from here you can start your free trial. So just click here on start your free trial and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected here in your CRM or your dashboard. So as you can see, I have when I signed up, I have chosen to add sample data so I know what are the details or the information in my CRM. So as you can see right now for your dashboard, the first thing that you will see is the focus section. And from here, you will see all of your works to be done, past due, due today, due this week, next week. You can also add new clients, schedules, projects, all right here in your dashboard. You can also see your schedule and, of course, the quick links. And what's good about Moxie CRM, you also have your time tracker right here in the top right. So simply click on the play button and you will see this. You can choose the client, project, the task, and you can save this time right here. I'm just going to delete the running timer. And now we have our calendar. So as you can see from here, you'll see your calendar. You'll see time work, the payments received, the deliverables. So all of this are sample data only, but it will help you get the gist of how you can use this data. So as you can see, you have uh, due tasks on the 31. You can see it all right here. If you have due tasks or due appointments, you can see it all in your calendar. Next is you will see your insights. So from here, you'll just see your performance metrics. So as you can see, for money, you have the invoice received, expenses, net income, the time work. So you'll see all of this graphs and metrics right here. Next is bookings. So you'll see just simply details of the bookings and of course your business summary. So next, let's move on to the client section. So basically right here, you'll see all of your clients and your contacts. So to add a new client, just simply click on add client right here, enter all of the information needed and click on save. So this goes the same for your contacts. As you can see, just click on add contact, fill up all of the information right here and click on save. Next, we have our project section. From here, we will see all of our projects and the project list. As you can see, I have one sample project right here. Just click on it and you'll see the overview of this project, the tasks, the notes, invoices, and timesheets. Next, we have the task section. So from here, you'll see all of the available tasks. So which project is this task belong to, the status of the task, priority, and all that. And of course, you can add new tasks if you want. Next, we have our templates. So from here, you can add your project templates if you want right here. So just enter all the information needed. Next is we have project types. We have the project types right here. Next is tickets. You can see all of your tickets right here. You can also adjust the ticket settings. Next is communicator. So you will see our inbox right here, our email log, scheduled emails. You can create your email templates right here. As you can see, we have the Moxie template library that has over 250 pre-built templates designed specifically for you. And of course, our communicator settings. Next is our pipeline. So we will see our opportunities right here, the forecast, and of course, the settings. Next is accounting. So for the accounting section, from here we will see all of our invoices, payments and income, expenses, our vendors. So if you want to add new vendors, this goes same as your clients. So you can always add new vendors right here to organize all of your accounting information. Next is reports. So you will see graphs right here and all of this reports needed right here. Next is products and services. So if you want to add your first product or service, you can always add one. And of course, our invoice templates. So you can also add your new invoice template right here if you have created a new one. Next is agreements. So from here, we can just see agreements. So agreements such as contracts where you can add e-signatures, payments, and deliverables. Of course, we have the templates library again right here to search for agreement templates. Next is our timesheets. So basically, this is all of their timesheets to see or to bill our team members or yourself. Next is forms. Basically, right here, we will see all of the submissions of the forms. Of course, we can also create our own form using the form builder. Next is we have the meetings. So right here, we will see all of the booked meetings. So to schedule a meeting, just click here on meeting schedulers and click on add scheduler. Next is client portal. So from here, we have the customization portal or section right here. Permissions, enabled features, and domains. And lastly is the automation. So we can create our own workflows right here and more. You can simply unpin. This is all of the features of Moxie CRM. So basically, just feel free to explore more about the CRM. Just explore more about how you can leverage its features for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.